Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to talk about how can you claim the Optimism Airdrop for free OP tokens. You will get the OP tokens for free by their airdrops. So first of all, just talk about the what is optimistic and what is the OP tokens, how they work and what they are. So optimistic is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that can support all the Ethereum DApps. Instead of running all computation and data on the Ethereum network, Optimistic puts all transaction data on blockchain and run computational off-chain, increasing Ethereum transaction per second and decrease transaction fee. So this is all for the optimistic. Just go on how can you claim the optimistic airdrop OP tokens for free. So here's the step-by-step guide. So how can you join the airdrop? Visit the Optimistic Airdrop Claim page. Link is given on the description. You will also get the direct link about the Optimistic Airdrop Claim page. Connect your ETH wallet. You have to be connected to your ETH wallet. That means you have to be connected to your MetaMask wallet, and if you are eligible, you will get the tokens for free of OP tokens by their Optimism airdrops. The snapshot of the address on the 25 March 2022 at the 00 UTC, and the user eligible who was the eligible for their airdrop. Optimism users, that means if you use the optimism is for the L1 during the early phase of the mainnet, you are eligible for their airdrops. Repeated optimism user, that means you are already eligible for the airdrops, which optimism user at least one transaction with the optimism application across the district weeks. DAO voters who can be vote their snapshot of chain proposals, everything, they are also eligible. And they are also Gitcoin donors. If you have a Gitcoin, then you make a donation to them, so you are also eligible. So there is a multiple way to, so you can just connect your ETH wallet and check you are eligible or not. If you are eligible, you will get the OP tokens for free. This is as simple as, and will get the $6 to more than $20 for, and automate airdrop is, there is no other task to complete. Just connect your wallet and check if you are eligible for the airdrops. You will get the tokens for free. And this is the video for the Optimism airdrop. And if you like the video, do subscribe the channel because we are giving the daily updates about airdrops. So this is the video, and I think we are completed for today. So have a good day. Bye bye.